Who's ready to see some great woodworking in action? Well, buckle up, because that's what we're here to show you. This little star will definitely light up any room. Let's watch this craftsman work his magic and see how it turns out. Bit by bit, he's making all the needed modifications to the wooden piece. See how everything glides perfectly into place? He's doing a wonderful job. Now this little machine will definitely be helpful when it comes to his projects. We're amazed by his work. Great job!